Check this out. We're here at the CF Moto factory in China. So this is actually my first time, and I'm very excited to see the bikes. Grabe, mind blown. So ito pala yung nandito sa likod natin. So makina ng Super Duke yan. Mr. Tristan Cheng.
Akala mo siya talaga ng tour leader. So, yeah. So as you can see from here, CF Moto started with scooters. Akala natin, ang CF Moto nag-start sa ATVs. 2002, may sarili na sa scooter. Way before 2002, nakatayo ni CF Moto but they were just building engine.
Street bikes.
Nagkaroon na ng bikes.
V-Night pa yung tawag dati. Tapos ito, Jetmax 250 in 2012.
BGC, parang gano'n.
280,000 square meters ang overall land property ng CF Moto, which is as big as BGC.
If you're looking at comparison, parang may sariling BGC, tapos that's entire.
Ito, nandito tayo, di ba?
Oo, nandito tayo.
Saan ba yung gate? Parang dito tayo nanggaling yata eh. Oh, hindi, ito yung gate. Ito yung gate kanina.
Dito tayo.
So, nandito tayo.
Itong compound na to, I think ito yung KTM. Basta nandyan yung, ito nandito yung KTM side, KTM R2R, tapos yung CF Moto side na mapupuntahan natin mamaya.
Okay, we're here in the NK product lineup. 150, 250, 400. Start tayo Papio ito. Best seller sa Philippine market. Papio na electric. Tawag dyan, Papio Nova 250 NK. Ito yung best seller, syempre. 450 NK yan. Bagong 800 NK. In this corner, this is the CLX Heritage lineup ng CF Moto. So ito yung CLC. Boss CLX. Ganda yung red color. Tapos meron din silang 250. Ang ganda. Ito, grabe yung 250. Ito yung wala pa sa market natin, pero may market to sa atin. So guys, tignan nyo hanggang dito, talagang dinudumog yung 450 MT. Sobrang sikat nitong model na to. Even our dealers from Korea are testing and feeling the bike. Dito naman tayo sa SR models. Ito naman yung mga sport bikes ng CF Moto. So CF Moto has a lot of cross-platforming of the same engines to different platforms, particularly the 250s, di ba? Tsaka yung mga 450cc engine. Even mga 650, they utilize same engine to different platforms, from sport, naked, adventure, tapos they make different bikes out of it. So this is the official Chinese police bike. Ang balita ko dito, lahat ng police sa China, ganito yung motor. So CF Moto yung gumagawa. So may mga accessories na siya, auxiliary lights.
This is almost the best and the most powerful electric scooter in the market. You never see it. After you try, you cannot find any similar to this. And we use the mid motor, makes a power 12.5 kilo.
Check this out. Airless tires. So as you can see here in China, CF Moto also makes for KTM bikes. RC390 here, you have the 790 Duke right here, 790 Adventure R, tapos may mga enduro bikes. Norden, Husky. Walking here outside the factory, we're now going to the CF Moto KTM side. Right. Laki, grabe. Para tayo nasa MOA. Sabi ni Tristan, sing laki daw ng BGC to eh.
Wala na eh kasi
Let's see. Malibot natin siya. So unfortunately, we cannot shoot videos inside the KTM factory. Gonna have to leave our cameras here at the lobby. The quick realization that I found out that KTM has a copyright issue here in China. That's why they had to use the KTM. It's supposed to be R2R or ready to race for them to use the brand because they can't use KTM here in China because of some copyright issue. So I also found out that the quality of CF Moto products are the same quality of KTM here in China. So when it comes to the engine, ang pinagkaiba lang talaga is crankcase cover, yung kulay, tapos yung branding, especially with the 790 engine at yung CF Moto 800 MT engine is not similar, but they're actually the same. So I also found out that the frame that they're using are not similar, but the accurate term is the same. So if we're talking about KTM and CF Moto, it's very synonymous when it comes to quality of production. Dito pwede mag-shoot except for one model na hindi daw pwedeng picturean kasi hindi pa siya release sa market natin. Pero kami unang makakita, so sobrang swerte namin. Diba kami? Si Camille nakita niya na to eh. So pag sinabi niya stop, nag-stop kami ng shoot. Okay. Una sa lahat, yung factory nito malamig.
So clean.
May aircon. Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa line na to, dire-diretso siya all the way going. It's not the same bike, so I would assume that all these people are skilled to do any kind of bike in just one production line. Okay, so makikita nyo dito, ang ginagawa nila dito is yung AE6 SE electric bike. This side, so iba na yung bike na ginagawa. So each line of the CF Moto production is very versatile. They can do electric, they can do gas type motorcycles. Kaya sobrang efficient, sobrang productive ng mga tao dito. Loaded sila ng employees. Yung production ng electric scooters, tapos yung susunod dyan is motorcycle na agad. Slowly this platform is moving. Meron siyang allotted time for each personnel to do their job. There'll be the same person to do the motorcycle. So ganun sila ka-efficient dito sa factory. Ito na, nandito na yung bagong Boom 500 SR. Walk around agad natin. Round headlight, turn signal. Wow, may steering damper. Same panel with the NK. Same panel with the NK. Okay. Overall look, ang ganda. Para siyang retro classic na sport bike. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people are waiting for this model to arrive. Teka. CLC 250. Ito na yung smaller version ng CLC. Dami. Look. Ayun, nakita na natin yung CLC 250. The smaller version of the CLC 450, and I'm sure a lot of people are also waiting for that in the Philippine market. Guys, check this out. Merong tram line dito na sinusundan ng mga robots. Alam na nila kung saan sila pumupunta. Tingnan nyo to. Walang tao. So walang nagtutulak niyan, pero pupunta yan sa kung saan siya gusto pumunta. Actually ngayon lang ako nakakita ng factory na okay lang ipakita yung ginagawa nila. I think they're very proud of what they're doing. I think that's how confident the CF Moto brand is. They allowed us to cover inside, they allowed us to shoot videos. So it's very busy out sa loob.
So I was very fortunate to be here last year as well.
So hindi na bago to sa'yo.
Hindi na siya bago, but it's nice to see different things going around. Like for example, last year. So last year, it was mostly the 800 MTs. Yung makina ng 800 MT yung ginagawa. Tsaka more of the Chinese, the police bikes, right?
Yeah.
Last year.
Saka the small displacement, mga 250cc.
Yes. But this time, ang kakatuwang tingnan, they're also focusing, nakita natin sa loob, Ziho eh.
Dami ng electric scooter. Tsaka isang line, motor, electric bike.
Oo. So, yun kasi ang ginagawa style. Nagko-focus sila sa isang week, hindi sila papalit-palit ng ginagawa for an entire week. If they focus on AE6 of the Zios,
Sa isang line.
Yun ang gagawin nila for the entire week. They have a secret room. Favorite room namin ni Gillian actually.
May secret room?
Parang war room siya. Nakikita mo yung galaw ng sales all over the global. Tapos kung ano yung mga per second, per minute lumalabas, kung ano yung lumalabas na unit.
Wow! So hindi tayo invited doon.
Hindi, mapupunta natin yung mamaya.
Pero bawal lang mag-video sa kapon.
Okay. They monitor all the sell-in figures for all the bikes that they distribute all over the world. So, nakabenta si CF Moto ng X amount of units sa Philippines. Automatic, it's encoded to their system and they generate another system for them to manufacture parts, accessories for that type of product for the after sales part of the business.
Yeah.
Railway to.
Yes, papunta sa other factory nila.
Wow.
Parang train, parang MRT train.
Kakag yung mga gamit.
So, meron silang malaking cafeteria dito sa CF Moto. Dito kumakain lahat ng employees. Dito tayo sa banquet. Hindi tayo first to arrive, pero invited tayo. Dito tayo. Philippines. Pero Malaysia, mamaya pa sila. Check this out. Grabe. Okay, a little bit of trivia. There's a Starbucks here inside the factory. Tama ba? So ito yung Starbucks. Tapos pag nagkape ka, may lounge dito. Pwede ka tumambay. Hazelnut from the CF Moto factory. There's a Starbucks inside. Panis. Panis.
Ano daw?
We're chilling. Coffee. Factory. Yung ibang brand, walang ganun. High-tech, modern, parang sa Asiana City, dito sa Hangzhou. Yung sa Gangnam Style. Ay, hindi pala Chinese yun. Okay, galing kami sa meeting room, tapos tingnan mo yung nakita namin dito ni Darwin. May family mart. Dining tables and chairs. It's legit. Family mart. Bubayad ka rin talaga. Okay, seryoso, wala na yung makulit. So, experience ko dito sa factory, number 1, may Starbucks sila dito sa loob. Tapos meron silang canteen. Tapos yung facade nitong building kompleto, nandito yung mga bikes nila for exhibit, mga concept. Tapos may mga riding gear. Tsaka pwede ka mag-shopping dito. So what I would say with their factory, they're very transparent, they're not shy, they're not afraid to show the quality of the builds. So we're open to take photos, take videos. It's very clear that how they manufacture the bikes. So galing, they're very confident. So we're excited, we're waiting for the test ride activities later. So ngayon, chill lang kami.